Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just check the new look of our keyboard and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.